Hey there! Struggling to upload your pic on Mobile Legends with your iPhone? No worries at all. I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix this issue. So, let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1. Turn off the portrait orientation lock. First off, swipe down from the right side of your screen to bring up the control center. After that, tap on the lock icon above the Do Not Disturb button. This should turn off the portrait orientation lock. Now, launch Mobile Legends and check if you can upload your photo. Solution 2. Grant camera access to Mobile Legends. Start by going to your settings. Then, scroll down to find the list of apps. Locate Mobile Legends and give it a tap to open the permission menu. From there, tap on Photos. After that, tap on Full Access and then hit Allow Full Access and see if the issue persists. Solution 3. Offload the game. Begin by opening your settings. Then, scroll down and tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you find Mobile Legends and then tap on it. Next, tap on the Offload app button. Tap Offload app and it will be uploaded from your device. Simply tap on Reinstall app and it will start reinstalling. Once it's done, open Mobile Legends and you should be able to upload your photos. That's it! You have now resolved the issue for not being able to upload a new photo in Mobile Legends. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Have any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one.